My YouTube working. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing 1 2 3 mic check. Testing levels. Levels are good. Levels are good. Levels are good. Oh Lord, lock the vault. All right. Wow. Wow, dude. Oh shit. Hey, I put on this trade while I was getting the stream set up. Ooh. Look, I could have took profits right there too. I mean, 10 cents, but with that amount of contracts. Oh, let me double check. Again, I've been done trading since earlier. Trade while I was doing. Damn, my mic sounds weird, huh? Yeah, I've been done since earlier. Hold on, let me close this. Nvidia's running up, bro. Looking good on the 5 minute. And Baba looking good. Google, shit. I freaking tried to fade the market right when the markets freaking started bouncing. Actually, yeah, I could have took profits here or got out. Look, from 35 to 45. It's 10 cents per contract. But I got 20 of them. But still, look, this shit looking weak anyways. Let's see. I'm gonna have to stop out. Hold on. What do we got? Where's the pre-market levels at? Alright, here's the number print. I mean, it's so volatile around that time. Probably grab another pre-market level besides the number print levels. Let's market open. So like right here. 446.50, see it? That was a key level earlier. And then what else we got? As far as on the day, a lot of topping action up here, bro. A lot of topping action up here, bro. Hold on, let me make sure like my OBS is straight, because I got the preview like closed and it just like minimized. We're working on that. All right, Colin. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get back in touch with you in a second. Look at all this topping action though. 447.50s. I mean, let's see if we can break above that. Then I'd be sweating it a little bit more. First of all, if I was getting like with 20 contracts, like I wouldn't have even been distracted. Like I took the trade at a glance and then set up my streaming and shit. But look, I mean, let's see if we can break above this. I mean, I start sweating, and if we start breaking above that, you feel me? With some momentum. But as far as I can see, we've been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like we've been hitting some resistance up here, bro. You feel me? I forgot what contracts I grabbed, but they're clearly not in the money right now. They're only worth 5 cents less right now. They were worth more. They were worth $10. I was up 10 cents on each one. Look, I mean, look how many times we hit this and rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, they could pull a rabbit out the hat and just run it up. But I mean, if we're just going on the price action of the day, there's obviously resistance up here and some sellers. I mean, I caught this fade. Wait, hold on. I forgot what trades I took. I took like 3 or 4, 4 or 5 trades, all green trades. And then I was done like pretty early today. It's just because I know me, bro. Like the longer I stay in the markets after my job is done, just it's easier for me to give money back. You feel me? But you know what I'm saying? The drawback with that is, of course, everyone wants to be done trading early and everything. You feel me? But the drawback with being done so early is you're missing out on vital price action. You feel me? Remember, screen time equals green time. Why do I have the Qs here twice? Hold on, SPX. Let's see what the S&P 500 is doing. S&P 500 looks like it's been topping out for a while too. Let's grab some real levels. My bad, I don't have the transition set up, or I can go to the other chart, the other monitor. Like, to tell you the truth, I'm not really comfortable live streaming and trading anymore, bro. Just too many attacks. You feel me? But I'll watch this price action. You feel me? And get my screen time in. Because remember, screen time hashtag screen time equals green time. Alright. Qs are on the highs though. Qs are on the highs. The SPY on the highs. The S&P 500 looks like it's trying to come down. Nvidia was on the high. Nvidia backed up off the highs a little bit, but it's forming this this bullish looking pattern that I see sometimes. Let me see if I can show you real quick. Right here, where we wick to the downside, but then we wick straight up. But if we don't have any follow through right here, we're about to fade. In my opinion, I could be wrong. And we're looking bullish as hell right now, bro. Like, I'm contrarian sometimes. You know what I mean? And most of the time, it does not pay to be contrarian. But dude, earlier, like when I was trading earlier, like dude, I had some perfect execution, bro. I think I figured out a way to predict. Bro, the SPY's on the highs. Like, bro, I'm down on these things big time. But normally, like with this many contracts, like I would have been on this. Like, uh, like I would have took profits here for sure, because even 10 cents on each one. You know what I'm saying? With 20 of them, that's $200. What did I say? If we don't, what did I just say? If we don't bounce right then, we're gonna start fading on Nvidia. This thing's still on the highs though. I mean, the Qs, like I ain't gonna lie, like I feel like the Qs and the SPY, I've been seeing a little more divergence than normal. I mean, obviously they're still correlated. We know that. But what I'm saying is, I've been seeing some divergence. You know what I mean? That you don't normally see. All right, 450. Look, we got 458 right here. All right. If we're gonna see any more movement back to the downside, we're gonna have to crack that first. And then I'm gonna go ahead and say obviously 457 as well. I mean, on the 15-minute, I don't know. It's looking bullish, obviously, but we are backed up off the highs a little bit. That's Nvidia. Hold on, let me just get this. I don't know why I can't do that. We're coming off the highs a little bit. What time is it? Oh, there's still plenty of time. But that thing's back up. That thing, like we're ripping. Like, oh Lord, I don't want to get stopped out. All right. Alright. What was I doing? Let's get rid of this shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. See, the uptrend got snapped. You feel me? So now we just been chopping around sideways, but grinding up. But if you ask me, it seems like we're running into resistance. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'd be grabbing them 447 puts right now, bro. On the SPY. The 447s. I'd be grabbing them 447s. Like, the only problem is I already got, what do I have? Oh, I already have the 447s. Alright. See, I maybe average down at a better price here. Because I got in for 35. Now they're worth 28. I'll average down maybe. Oh yeah, see that? See that wick right there? No, if we don't hold the 9 EMA right here, bro, we're about to flush. Look at the S&P 500. I mean, almost identical. What did I say? If we don't hold the 9, we're about to flush. Oh, no. What the fuck? Like, what is that? Yeah. Look at S&P 500. I mean, clear resistance there, right? That's the 10-minute, bro. That's like clear resistance right there, bro. You know, now look, these things are bouncing. What did I say? Average down. Oh, let me go back to the SPY. I was trying to bounce, but this wick right here is ominous. That's all I'm gonna say. It's ominous. If we break down 447.50s right here, I feel even better. Let it do its thing. Move on it. The higher it bounces up, you know what I'm saying? The higher up you get in for the fade, the more you're gonna make and the cheaper the contracts are gonna be, if you're right. So like on this bounce up here is where I would have wanted to grab the 447s again. But I mean, would I average down? So would that be 40 contracts? I think that's a little too much. Well, but if I would have did it, you know what I'm saying? Like I would have probably already been in the green already on this trade. This is a key level right here, 447.50s. If we crack that, we're about to give some back right now. We already broke down the 9. Let me zoom in. Let me watch some. Let me watch. Look, nice little bullish run up for sure. But I mean, at this point, we've been topping out for a while now. You know what I'm saying? Like, but the way I see it now, I feel like we've been topping out, and it's time for us to give a little back. What do you think? Look, Tesla's already dumping. Google starting to trend down. Amazon's coming down. Meta's coming down. AMD's coming down too, backed up off the highs. Nvidia backed up off the highs, coming down. Getting ready to test 458 right now. Damn, I should have averaged down. Look, these would have already been in the money. It's still not too late to average down more, but I mean, I don't even know how that would work. Because I already have my I don't want to have like 2 different freaking stops and shit. But them 447s. Oh shit, I grabbed the wrong ones. I grabbed 0 DTEs, bro. I didn't want those. I thought, oh my god, I didn't think I was allowed to grab 0 DTEs this late. Either way, I mean, I'm not trying to swing, but now the longer this takes, the less they're worth. So it's not just about me being right short term, it's also about the time. I was wondering why they're like fucking super cheap. Alright, I mean, after a fade like that, you would expect some type of bouncing. Like what I see that as is we're just going back to back test 447.50s real quick. Like if it was the inverse and we were trending up, that would be a healthy pullback to back test 447.50s. But we're trending down, so now we're bouncing back up to back test it. But I mean, we're back testing decent right here, bro. So that was some strength that just came in the market. Again, my key level is 447.50, so and yeah, anything above here, I'll definitely be sweating. But if we bounce up here again, I'll average down. If we bounce back up here and we're not just ripping with super strength, I'll average down. But I mean, like, okay. I mean, here's the 15-minute. That might be too thick. Dog, I really need a hotkey to freaking like put trend lines in. Look, I caught the fade twice, and then I caught the move to the upside, and I was done trading for today. That's what I was saying. I think I figured out a way to predict, like, not all the time, but how to predict a reversal. Like, it's worked. It's worked a few times. But I'm not ready to say it's Trump tight or nothing. But I mean, it did work. It's been working, and I mean, it's pretty obvious for people that have a little bit of time in the game and watch the entire market. You know what I'm saying? Like, including the dollar and the VIX. So it really has to do with the dollar and the VIX. So look at my key level holding up for 47.50s. We broke down the 9 EMA. We just need some follow through. Tech ain't ready to give it up yet. Yeah, up here, if I would have averaged out when we swung down here, they would have been in the money. I mean, even if they were in the money like 5 cents, you know what I'm saying? I got a decent size. See, look, we're coming down. I mean, now they could liquidity grab now. Alright, so in situations like this, always go back and see where they grabbed liquidity. And it looks like right about here, 447 and change. Like right here, bro, whatever level that is. If you're fading the market and we get there, bro, this has got to be a price target. Because look what happened last time. We were flushing, we wicked all the way down and just ripped. That was a liquidity grab right there. I mean, that's clearly a bearish pattern, bro. It's clearly bearish. I mean, you could just tell because we were topping out. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Another 1, 2, 3, mic check. Level's good, level's good. Oh, they break even. What do you say? I say let them go in the money a little bit. But like, if I was traded for real, like, I would already been out of this trade. Like, when we bounced here, I would have took profits, a quick 200 real quick, and then once we got back up here, I would have just grabbed the 447 puts again. So I would have been in my second trade. I would have been up 200. You know what I'm saying? But like, I was setting up the stream and shit. And I was like, I just looked at the charts for a second and came to the conclusion that we're at the top of the page and hitting resistance. So I was like, all right, I'll you know what I'm saying? Like, I'll try them. But like, in a real life scenario, I mean, I still would have taken the trade, but my entry would have been way better. I mean, look, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, yeah, we broke above it for a second, but we couldn't hold up there. So it just kind of makes that level even more relevant because we had a lot of consolidation and chopping around it. Plus, we rejected off of it 4 times. So, but now that we've broken back below it, I would expect it to definitely act as resistance now. Because it acted as resistance prior, like 3 or 4 times. And acted as temporary support. So, I mean, all that makes it relevant. But now, the way we keep fading and bouncing is got me, like, you know what I'm saying, paying closer attention to it. Oh, let me get this out the way. I can't see the rest of the charts. And the only reason why I am paying closer attention to it is because I didn't realize I grabbed 0 DTEs. Like, they're losing value, bro. Like, this late in the day, I would never grab 0 DTEs. I'll just go out to the next day. Because they don't, I mean, they still have some intrinsic value. At least another day. But these have no intrinsic value left. It's all extrinsic. So I need this thing to hurry up and break down. Dude, this broad tape. How do you read that news? It goes way too fast. Reuters, Benzinga analyst expectations for Weatherford International's future. ETH worth $5 million was just burned. $100 invested in this stock 10 years ago would be worth $1,500 today. What stock is that? Like, this shit's going too fast. Something from Benzinga. I mean, if it's gonna load up, I mean, fuck it. Oh Lord, look. I took my eye off of it for a second. See, that's a little scary. Yeah, like, that's a little scary right there. Like, I know. That key level, bro. Let's see if it holds up. I mean, the past would tell you yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But no, that is a bullish looking candle right there. That candle was looking bullish as hell, bro. Now, if we don't break above my key level right now, especially with that bullish ass candle, it was like a hammer candle or a shooting star. If we still fail to break above it, then I know we're gonna come down, bro. That let you know, like, bro, the bulls tried, and they still couldn't get up there past it. And I mean, right here, bro, look at this wick. That's your fucking key. I mean, that lets you know there's freaking sellers up there, bro. Whenever you see that, hey, look, buyers are trying to step up again. I mean, they could be trying to grab. Just because it's looking increasingly more and more like a liquidity grab. But what I'm saying is they're grabbing liquidity and going where with it? We're already at the top of the page. Nvidia's off the highs. Tesla's off the highs. Tesla's trying to bounce. 270, 250s. Bouncing decent right now. But, I mean, Google's almost on the high. Amazon's bouncing. Meta's bouncing. There's some bounce coming in right now. But, in my estimation, I mean, bro, like, honestly, no one could tell the future. You know what I'm saying? I don't have a crystal ball, bro. But in my estimation, it just seems like we've been topping out for a little bit. And we're going to fade a little bit. Now, not to say that we're going to, like, dump and wash out. You know what I'm saying? That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, it's clear that there's some resistance up here, and we should, you know what I mean, give some back at some point. Who knows? We could come back down here, and they could grab liquidity like they did last time. Look at that dump. So right here is where I'll be looking to get out at. Crack this 120, bro, because they be liquidity grabbing off the 120 a lot. Google just dumped, Tesla just dumped, Nvidia's dumping, now AMD's dumping off the highs, Meta's dumping a little bit, just cracked 306 in a major way. Could have been freaking fading. Dude, Meta, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look, we broke past my price target and we cracked 447. Holy shit! Some data might be coming out, dude. I mean, I know this is a data-driven week. Look, I'll take profits here. I'll take profits at 50 cents. It's 20 contracts. See, I should have had that set up better. But if we open another candle below 447, like there's 15 seconds left. Look how close we are to my price target. Alright, see, we're about to open a candle above 447. Oh, but it started with the wick. That might be insinuation of continuation. But like, see, that was where I was supposed to exit at. Because first of all, I wasn't expecting us to wash out that far. My price target was here. But down at 447, definitely. And I guess, can I say something? I guess this wick is like that wick. You feel me? I can still take profits. Wait, what did I get in there? 35 to 45, so $10 on each one. So how much is that again? Wait, 35 to 45. That's $10 on each contract. I got 20 contracts. So that's 200 bucks. But hold on. We're about to hit my price target here. This thing looks like it wants a dump, dude. But I wouldn't be so sure because, 447, major psychological level. But after a dump like this, and then this wick right here, I'm going to go ahead and, hold on now. See, this is where sometimes, like, I run into trouble. When I miss my exit, you feel me? And then, like, I don't want to just take whatever's left, whatever profits left. I want us to get back down to where we were. You feel me? So I run into trouble a lot doing that. But again, like, if I was trading for real, like, I would have been out this trade already. You feel me? But that's still not an excuse. I could take profits here, bro. 35 to 45. Maybe should I just move my price target down, or should I trust the process? Should I see profits, take profits? Should I see profits, take profits? Or trust the process? Because, dude, there seems to be some buyers here at 447. 110,000 shares, I mean, that's not a lot. Look, you had 200,000 here. Only 84,000 here. This big ass candle. Yeah, I missed my exit. I was supposed to get out here. Look, I should have probably tightened up my profit, where I was going to take profits at a little sooner. But again, like on this account right here, like I have my parameters a little looser. They're not really set up. So like on my other account, like I would have definitely taken profits there really quick, especially with 20 contracts, and then I would have just grabbed the same ones again once we bounced up here, and it would have worked. So I'd have made 200, and then whatever that was. Now, see, now I'm letting the trade go against me. Let's look at this level. We were bouncing hard just now. I seen it. Right there, 447, dude. And now, this is where the liquidity grabbed at. Right here. Yeah. I missed my exit. See, and I probably, see, I would have stopped out. Definitely. I mean, I should stop out right now, actually, because there's zero DTEs. Now, if they weren't zero DTEs, I still wouldn't be sweating it that hard unless we came all the way back up here, bro. Where's my key level? 447.50s. But because there's zero DTEs, like, by the time all that shit transpires, they're going to be basically worthless. You know what I'm saying? So I missed my exit. Let's see what happens at the 120. And see if we keep bouncing. And I mean, the S&P 500 just clean bounce off of 44.72 and a half. 44.72.50s on the S&P 500. Like on the dot. That's where we like wick down to.
Connection lost.
Oh, they're fucking with me. I'm under attack.
Market data connection re-established.
You heard that? I'm under attack, bro. Did the stream get interrupted? They just hit me with so much spam right now, boy. Was the stream still working?
Re-established.
Yeah, you hear that? Dude, why does it sound like an echo chamber? Hey. Let this thing run against me. Like right now, I could stop out for a small loss. Look, 35. I don't know, dude. I still feel like we got resistance up here, bro. So I'm calling dead cat bounce here, bro. I'm calling dead cat bounce. At the 120. Hey, on the 5 minute though. Hey, yeah, I'm calling dead cat bounce right here, bro. Look at this thing on the 5 minute. Look at that wick. But look at all these wicks, bro. Shit don't know what it wants to do with its life. But I can tell you, I like the way this candle's looking right now. Sometimes when you see that setup like that, when we wick down, like a hammer candle or shooting star type of bullish ass candle, and then immediately right after it, we're wicking to the downside, like the opposite, usually means insinuation of continuation. I'm calling dead cat bounce, but look, 446.93. Got to be wary of that level, because look what happened last time we touched it. And then you got like a triple bottom, a quad bottom right here. You know what I mean? Oh, look, they were in the money. See that? What was that? Dead cat bounce right here, bro. That's called price action. You feel me? You gotta know how to read the price action, bro. See, I can take profits right here. Let's move this down to 45, dude. All right, come on, just put the finish line. A little, no wait, because 447's right here. Look, see, it's the theta, bro. Did we just crack 447? Hold up. Uh oh.
Order partially filled.
Okay.
Order cancelled.
Okay.
Order filled.
What was that? Alright, you know what I'm saying? But look, see, that's bullshit. First of all, it's supposed to be closer to 200. It's the theta, bro. Look how quick the theta ate me up. You know what I mean? And the slippage. But like what I was saying was, I would have took that 200 the first time, and then grabbed the 447s again to catch this fade. Like in that same amount of time. What I said, bro? I call dead cat bounce. I should only took off half of them. But see, right here is where you need to be watching the VIX and the dollar. Because if the VIX starts going up, you know what I'm saying, and the dollar is going up or going down, like that's gonna tell you if we're gonna bounce here or keep dumping. Like, hold on, let me see if I could. Like, the shit is, I can't whatchamacallit. See, the dollar's starting to dump and the VIX is popping. That means we're about to reverse and go to the upside. So I'll be probably looking at the 447 calls right now. I need to see more proof of concept, but it looks like the VIX was going up and the dollar was going down. That means we could bounce here. Again, you have to wait for some proof of concept though. And like before you do make a decision like that, you need to we need to find some real levels. Well, so 447's right here. All right. Under that, what do we have? 446.75. $446.75 right there with VWAP.
Market data connection lost.
Bro, they're attacking me, dude.
Market data connection re-established.
They're attacking me, bro. I mean, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm not supposed to be giving out the game, bro. That's why I haven't been streaming. But yeah, wait, let's see something. What was I saying? Okay, see the dollar. We'd have to be watching the dollar here, bro. See, the dollar was looking like it was dumping, but now it's bouncing again. So we could see some continuation. Yeah, I mean, right up here, I guess. The dollar's gotten like right up here and started flushing. That's when the market was going up. The dollar was running up. The market was fading. So, if the like right up here, see the VIX looks like it's going up. So that tells me like volatility's incoming, right? So now you just have to watch the dollar and see if it's going to start fucking sliding or bouncing. And that can help you predict whether we have a reversal or not. Look how high we are. Look how high up we are, bro. Like that's why I knew, like, just from glancing at the charts for a second, I was like, oh, bro, I'll fade from there. I'm telling you, like, we could bounce. I'd have to look at the dollar again. The dollar's going up and the VIX is going up. Now, if the dollar keeps ripping and the VIX keeps going up, we're on a flush, dude. I mean, look, we're still above VWAP. I'd be interested in the 447 calls right here. Going out from tomorrow though, but it'd be dependent on a couple things. See this wick right here, and the VIX is up. The VIX is acting like it wants to go up. I mean, again, I want to see some proof of concept here. I mean, maybe. Now this is a level from intraday, 446.75. Let's see what happens there. And then you got VWAP here. I like the 447s here, bro, to the upside. Hold on, let me see something. Wait. Like, why does this do this? I like the 447s to the upside right here, bro. Let's see if they'll work.
Order filled.
See, like I didn't get a good entry. I should have entered here instead of there, but we'll see if it works. I'm just looking at this dollar, right? And the dollar's starting to dump. The VIX is up. It's going up. It was flat at the bottom of the range. It started going to the upside a little bit. Look, they're already in the money. But we have to now 447 becomes a key level, and that wick right there isn't promising. It's not promising for the long here, but I mean, just chill. See, like my stop, I'd probably move a little closer. And then my price target, I'll probably move a little closer at 128. So maybe like 160 maybe. Like right here. Right. Then maybe move the stop up a little bit. But you don't want to have it too close, because we'll get stop hunted. But I say, bro, like the 447 to the upside, dog. What I say, man? Hold on, let's see if the dollar's still cooperating. Yeah, it is. Man, it's looking like it did something up here, a little triple top. Little triple top action. You feel me? Like, where is the damn... A little triple top action. I mean, back test it again and then dump, baby. Look, they're already in the money. Look, we broke above 447. I want to say, like, I'm telling you, like, I don't have it perfected yet, but sometimes I can, like, certain things align where you can kind of determine sometimes where there might be a key reversal. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, just keep in mind, bro, like, nothing works 100% of the time, bro. Like, that's why you always, you know what I'm saying, have to, I could have took profits there. You know, for the quick scalp.
Market data connection lost.
Hopefully,
Market data connection re-established.
hopefully the stream's not getting knocked off every time. I don't like that weakness I'm seeing. Hold on, let's get this junk out the way. I mean, they're break even.
Market data connection lost.
Yeah, I mean, you know, they keep fucking with my shit, bro.
Market data connection re-established.
That's why I would never. That's why I don't trade live and stream anymore, bro. Someone has like a sick hard on for me. But I mean, like, dude, at this point, bro, like, it's obsession. You know what I mean? Like, for a person or whoever the fuck, I don't know, to just keep doing it. Like, okay, it was funny, maybe for the first week or two, but bro, this is going on a year, bro. This is you know what I'm saying? Like it's serial at this point. You know what I'm saying? To just keep doing it over and over and over, like that's premeditated 100 times, like that. That brings it to the realm of like serial shit, like serial. You know what I mean? Serial thriller. You feel me? I just don't want to say the wrong shit. But what did I say? Bro, did I tell you I like the 447 calls to the upside right then or what, bro? Did I call it? Did I call it? What I said, bro? What I said? How long? Should I be greedy? Should I let them keep running up here? Should I just see profits, take profits? 28, 38, that'd be another 200. Should I be greedy? Or should I just snatch the, should I just see profits, take profits? What you think? Alright, 140, dude. Where did I get at that? 128, 140. I like 148. I mean, 20 cents on each one, though. I don't like that dump, though. But, I mean, now, we've seen the same thing here, too. I called dead cat bounce on that one. You know what I mean? But I feel like 447, that's a real psychological level right there, bro. So, right now, I wouldn't even want us trending up. I would want us to just keep consolidating above 447 for as long as we can. I say like right here, like I might just take these profits because I don't want, it's the opportunity cost. I don't, you know what I'm saying? It's the opportunity cost of it all. Definitely here by the 120 where we had resistance would be a place of interest to take profits if I were to stay in it. Look, that's a dump. I mean, we're not even gonna bounce off of 447. All right. I mean, there are data sets coming out. Who knows though? Like my market data got all messed up. Like, you know what I'm saying? So that shit probably like off now or something. I'd have to like cross-reference it with the different. That's the type of shit I gotta do, bro. Look, the VIX is popping right now. So look, what's the dollar doing? The dollar's going up, dude, and the VIX just popped up. So we could keep dumping right here. I'm not gonna lie. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I should have grabbed it. See profits, take profits. Well, see, these aren't zero DTEs, but bro, after this, like, I mean, we could bounce, but I mean, I ain't trying to stick around and see, bro. You feel me? Like if we don't freaking bounce, like, right now, like, under normal circumstances, you gotta be getting ready to stop out here. Especially if we're breaking down VWAP now. right at a psychological level. 446 and 446.75. 446 and 3/4. Yeah, feel me? That would have been a nice fade. Dude, I need some hotkeys for trend lines, bro. I mean, I'm sure there's a way to make them. I mean,
Market data connection lost.
some buyers there. Some buyers there. My
Market
market
data
my market
connection
data is messed
reestablished.
up, bro. Did the stream get interrupted? Hold on. Let me check the. Where's my stream stats? I mean, the stream, I don't think it got interrupted. I mean, it's looking like a pretty bullish candle right there, bro. Watching that thing on the 5 minute. So it's not so, oh, look, we're coming down. If this thing cracks this and
Market
cracks
data
VWAP,
connection lost.
look, if this thing cracks this and cracks VWAP, bro,
Market data connection reestablished.
I definitely would say the Bears are in control at that point. $446.50 is going to be an important level if we find ourselves down there. Damn, look at that on the 3 minute, bro. That thing bounced up, bro. They sold into that shit decent. Oof. That's so bearish looking, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Let's zoom in and see what's really going on. Alright, let's see what happens when we test this trend line. Remember, you got 447 right here. Right there. See how it responds. See right here, I get out for break even. I mean, I should have got out there. See profits, take profits, bro. Like, I mean that. Right? Like that shit, like, you know what I'm saying? Really helped me. Like, really changed my, it just really changed my execution and my thought process. Ever since then, I've been doing pretty good. Look, like I said, I like the 447 calls to the upside. Let's see. Look, we broke above 447. New candle opens above 447. Playing with that trend line. Do we hold it or do we dump? It's a battle. It's a battle. It's a battle. I get out for a small gain. Looking for a little bit more than that. They're in the money. There we go. Clean break above 447 and that downtrend. Up here is where, or even here now, because we rejected here. So, like, mean, these are the places where you want to be taking profits at. Right here, wherever we had trouble at intraday. Doesn't matter if it was resistance or support. And I'm about to just see profits, take profits here. Like 28, 38. I should only sell half of them though. I mean, if we don't have enough strength to even get back up here and says this, then I'm at like, then you know it's looking weak. If we can't even get back up here and says 447.15s, it's too weak. I mean, nice little bullish looking pattern there, but volume, bro, there ain't no volume. See what I'm saying? I mean, even what 28. I need to make at least fucking $10 per contract now. Come on, bro. Just get up there and touch my price target. I mean, after a run up like that, I mean, you would expect a pullback and retest maybe. Let's get all that trash out the way. Let's do some more technicals. $447 flat. Major level right now, bro. Look, on the 15-minute, bro, that's like some stepping down right there, but look at these two wicks. I mean, look at these two candles. They're like bullish ass looking candles on the 15-minute. Like hammer candles or shooting stars, whatever you call them. I don't really subscribe to all the different like patterns and fucking all that. Like the names of the candles and shit. All I know is what looks bullish and what looks bearish. I don't know the particular name for each particular pattern or candle or whatever. Are we bouncing? I mean, it should go ahead and take profits for me, right? We're not there yet? Oh, Lord. Damn it. Now I'm thinking I should move my price target back up. What do you think? Maybe at least a 140? But look, notice where we had trouble at. The same spot where we had trouble at last time. But we're trending up, though. I feel like I should move my price target up. But one of my rules is do not move price targets or stops. Like after you initially set the trade up. Look, I should have took profits right there. 'Cause it's the opportunity cost. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, we could continue to trend up, but I'd rather just take the money off the table and move on to the next trade. Looking like we about to dump, boy. Look, called it. Dude, every time we're coming down, we're just freaking slicing through 447 like it doesn't exist. I mean, that's kind of bearish, bro. Again, I had my opportunities. I was just being greedy. Let's see if we get the power of threes here. A little power of three action. What do you think? Well, 1, 2, 3, rip. Well, hold on. Let's see what the dollar's doing. See, the dollar's going up, bro, and the VIX is popping. I mean, that means fading's in the future. Not gonna lie. Say, look, look. Okay, look, last time the dollar was here, it fell off a cliff. Right, see right there? Right there, it fell off a cliff. And if we get that same type of price action on the dollar right now, especially with the VIX popping up to 1350s, then we're gonna bounce and start ripping to the upside. Now, looks like we're about to fucking dump, dude. We're about to dump. Again, like, if I was on my other account, bro, I would have been took profits. But now, see, it's running too much. Like, the only reason to stay in this trade would be for the possibility of a triple bottom and liquidity grab. And I have seen them grab liquidity off of VWAP before. Actually, a lot of times. Oof. I'm talking about that thing just dumped, bro. Yeah. See, now I'll be stopping out. Because look, 128, be down 10 cents per contract. Oh, it's looking like a grab right there, bro. Look at that thing. Alright, never mind. The sellers came in. Look at that candle, though. That's a bullish candle, bro. That's a liquidity grab setup. Your candle on the right is wicking all the way down, and then the next time the next candle opens up and we just start bouncing. That's a liquidity grab setup. And it's on VWAP. And you got power of threes. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Hopefully the dollar's dumping. Yeah. I mean, it's not dumping, but like, how come my shit's not saved here, bro? I'm telling you, I'm under attack. See, I mean, I would have expected us to probably dump here, but I mean, the dollar's been way up here. I mean, this is the number print, I'm assuming. It's hard to tell in here. Alright, market open around here. So number print's all over here. So I don't know what happened here, bro. During lunchtime? Look, that shit's going against me. the VIX is still doing the same thing. Let's look at this chart, bro. See what we got. See if it's worth staying in this thing. I mean, that would be my line in the sand right there. VWAP and 446 and 3/4. Only because they're not 0 DTEs. I mean, it looks like the downtrend, like we were trending down for a little bit. It looks like we snapped it. Right there. We're continuing to dump though. So look, maybe this is the real power of threes. 1, 2, 3. It might be a 1, 2, 3 crack though, dog. I mean, that power of threes goes both ways. Yeah, now you got the S triple Q bouncing. Success was bouncing for a second. The VIX is back. I mean, it's at 1350s. But, I mean, it's been there. But it keeps going down and then bouncing right back up to 1350. See? Now it's time to stop out. Now the VIX went up to the VIX popped a little bit. Ooh. I mean, stop out. 128, 108. So basically, if I stop out right here, it'd be break even. I mean, nice fade. Like, the power of threes was there. It was just to the downside. See? 1, 2, 3. The next time we came and tested it, crack.
Order filled.
Order stopped
cancelled.
out. You feel me? But again, like, trust me, I was super lax, bro. Like, this is my prop account, bro. I'm just basically paper trading to still get my screen time in. Even though I've been done, I'm telling you, bro, hashtag screen time equals green time. Dude, it looks like they're about to pull the rug out, bro. 446 puts. Where's pre-market low and pre-market high at? Here's the number print. That's gonna be something. That's gonna be something. And this level right here. 4 in the morning. There's the number print. See, I'm trying to find the pre-market levels. Like, you know what I'm saying? The pre-market levels. The real pre-market levels. Like, if you were to take the CPI data volatility out, I mean, and still the CPI data volatility are real levels too, but pre-market high and pre-market low are real levels too. Looks like they about to pull the rug out, bro. If I'm being honest with you. So, that's what we have to do. I mean, key level here for 46.50s. And then, shit, you got 446. I mean, they'd really have to pull the rug. We'd have to go backside. The spot have to go red on the day, which doesn't seem far-fetched from here. But I feel like, well, no, it's not a chase because the bottom of the page is down here. I like the 446 puts. Hold up. Let me get some of that action. Did I get filled? Oh, I missed my fill, dude. Look. See, now you gotta be careful because we might bounce off of here. So let's cancel that.
Order cancelled.
Alright. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, see that? I said the 446 puts and shits with a print. Oh, look, we're continuing the dump. Look how fucking much they're going up. We're backside down. 445s. It feels like a chase.
Order filled.
It feels like a chase. But look. If you look, we're still dumping. If you look at where we're at, we're not at the bottom. I mean, the bottom of the page is down here, 445. Feel me? And that's just from the trading session. That's not including pre-market. Look, pre-market lows here. Ooh, it's fucking dumping, dude. Look, them things in the money. 75, 85. All right, let's be a little more realistic. And just ask for $1 on each one. 78, 88. I mean, shit. I would have took profits right there. That would have been $200 right quick. Looked like we could bounce here at 445 50s. Psychological level. Dude, what just happened? I know we got data coming out. But I know we had CPI, PCE, or PPI. Tomorrow, I believe. Either PPI or PCE. I think it's CPI then PPI. Well, no, wait, what's today? Wait, I know JP ain't speaking today, is he? No. He usually does that after all the data comes out. Clean little bounce there. But after a dump like this and going backside, I'm gonna say that's a dead cat bounce, bro. If we go back green now, I'm not so sure. But until further notice, I'll say that's a dead cat bounce. I should have see profits, take profits. See, I be struggling with that, boy. Cause look, 3 trades in a row. But see, this is my prop account, like my paper trading account. On my real account, like my profit target and my stop and everything's more fine tuned, and it's 3 to 1. You know what I'm saying? So, like, for instance, when we bounced up here, like, it would have automatically took profits for me. Oh, shit. Look, I'm breaking my rules, dude. Well, we need to see what the dollar's doing. Hold on. I mean, also, like, when that shit was saying, like, market data connection loss, like, I would have fucking definitely took profits and shut my shit down. Look, the VIX popped all the way up to 1375 and then rejected. Now you got S triple Q dumping, the success dumping, but now they're looking like they want to bounce. So we got to see what happens here. That's why I broke my rules and moved my stop down real quick, because they might swing it around here, bro. And I ain't trying to get stop on it. That's an impressive bounce, though. You feel me? It is. Be on high alert up here. I mean, holding this 9 EMA is looking pretty bullish as well. A lot of news coming out. Rugby Namibia 4 charges for a New Zealand game. Blah, blah, blah. Analysts have this to say about Star Surgical, where Palo Alto Network stands with analysts. And that's all coming from Benzinga. 8 analysts have this to say. Blah, 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 blah. Last time I clicked on it, though, like, it was taking too long to load. I think it's because I have it on broad tape, so every little bit of financial news is coming through that shit. It needs to be filtered. $446. Major psychological level and key level at this point. Oh, we ain't slicing through levels like butter no more. Cause shit, where was 447 at? Dude, we sliced through that bitch like hot butter last time, boy. Right there. Bounce back up. Healthy pullback on the way down, dog. I mean, when they pull the rug like that, bro, you can't ignore that. But at the same time, down here, we're talking about pre-market lows. Yeah, so that's definitely a major technical level. All right, look, Now the VIX is popping, and my grizzly and my polar bear are popping as well, which leads me to believe there could be some continuation to the downside. What about the dollar? I don't know if this thing updates. The dollar's going up, or it was. 446, major battleground. See, right now, if we fade back down here, like I gotta get out. I gotta take profits. Because, obviously, you don't want to have a red trade, but also, again, the opportunity cost, bro. Like, I should have been out of this trade already and on to the next. Are we bouncing back up to back test 446? Maybe not. So look, where is this at? 90 cents? So I'm assuming this bounce is basically like these two wicks, or basically these two wicks. I mean, that's what I'm assuming. But it's not going to be perfect because of the theta, the time decay. But these aren't zero DTEs.
Order cancelled.
There you go. Nice way to
Order
lock
filled.
in some profits real quick. I mean, base hits, dog. The only thing I'm mad at is I didn't get my fill. Remember, I was saying 446 puts, 446 puts, and then I didn't get my fill. But I was saying it here. If I would have got fill, dude, I would have caught that move off rip. And then, and it was such a violent dump that even at the parameters I have set up, like it would have hit, like it would have hit my price target and executed me out of the trade. But yeah, man, just wanted to show a little face on the finance channel for a little bit, man. I can't stay on here that long, dog. Like, I already feel like I gotta disinfect my shit now from the attacks. Feel me? I'm talking about, bro, they don't even want me to have no market data, bro. What kind of, where they do that at, bro? That's what I want to know. Where they do that at? I mean, look at this little double bottom here. You feel me? Where they do that at, man? But yeah, I think there's other people that stream for Power Hour, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and jump off. But yeah, I mean, it's easy, buddy. Dude. Well, look, see, right now, you're looking for, possible supports. If you were to try to catch this fade here, you know what I'm saying, 445. Whatever the pre-market low was, I think besides the number print, obviously the number print too. That's a low off a external catalyst though. You feel me? I think the real pre-market lows here. Yeah, 445, 19. So if you were to anticipate this breakdown, I'd be definitely watching those levels as a possible place where we're going to bounce at. We could double bottom here. Look, they're playing around with it, going front side, back side, front side, back side. I've been seeing that a lot. Key level, major key level right now. I like the 446s to the upside for a quick scalp, but ultimately we continue down. Looking really bearish, but notice we didn't break down that level. Yeah. I don't know though. Success and the S triple Q and the VIX is like bouncing, dude. Like trying to rip, which makes me think we're about to keep flushing. And look, the dollar's just marching on up. Look at that. I'll tell you, like when the dollar's doing that, 9 times out of 10, it's fading time. Let me just keep it real with you. When the dollar's looking like that, bro, 9 times out of 10, it's fading time, bro. And look at the VIX. So VIX is popping, dollar's going up, stocks may continue to go down. Depends on if we can hold this level here. But from what I'm seeing over here, it looks like that thing's about to break. But also, like, when the VIX pops up, like, and say, look, the dollar's up here, just looking like there's some type of resistance or something. I don't really track currency like that. So, but, I mean, look. So we could be in for a key reversal right here. If the dollar rejects, the VIX is already up. So you're waiting to see what the dollar does right here. The dollar keeps pushing up, we keep fading. If the dollar rejects, we could bounce. Look, like I said, I like the 446s for a quick scalp to the upside, but not, you know what I'm saying? Like, even still, but I mean, the better entry was down here at the, see, like now it's chasing, but the best entry was at support. You feel me? And this thing's tussling with the 9 EMA. It's tussling. How long is this stream? Hour and something. I mean, we're in power hour, bro, but I mean, I think Matt Kors and whoever else streams for power hour now, bro. Like, I'm not really in this for the streaming, bro. Like, I was just trying to, you know what I mean, help some people out. You know what I mean? And spread the good word. Definitely not doing this for YouTube. I said, I mean, I like the 446s for a quick scalp. They would have worked. I mean, the best entry is if we pull back here and back test 441.50s without breaking down. And look, see that wick right there? Hold on. What's the dollar doing? The dollar is going up, but it's almost like it's topping out. Right here. Some resistance there. And this was lunchtime. I don't know what happened at lunchtime. Some major fucking price action happened. I was done already. See, look, resistance is holding. The VIX is still elevated. And success in the SQQQ seem to be topping out. See right here. See, now I'll be scared, but right here, the 446s. Tight stop though. You gotta have a tight stop. Just in case they pull it. Yeah. I mean, whatever. Like, I called my move. I faded from up. I mean, not even like I was done way over here, bro. I caught this fade. I caught a fade. I caught a fade. Let me see. Let's see if I can actually find it. Market open here. Lord, what just happened? Yeah, market opens here. I caught this fade. And I caught this fade. And then I caught the move to the upside. And then I was done. But yeah, man, that's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid of the like button or even subscribe. Hit the bell and get the hell over to any one of my social media platforms to sign up for that daily morning briefing and watch list, which is free and gives you that edge. Brethren, peace. I like the long here actually. I like the long dog. Is you strong dog? It don't matter if you wrong dog. Bro, I slap you with the chrome dog. I don't want no dome dog. I'm trying to build a home dog. Off my intellect. Nigga, you motherfucking defective. Something else needs to be here, man. What should I be watching?